Colors of a Windsor Fall. The trees in Essex County, Ontario, Canada are a sight to behold during the fall season. The flat terrain, county roads, farmers' fields, and stands of trees all contribute to the beauty of the area. The roads are lined with trees that display a dynamic range of colors from bright yellows to deep reds during the fall. The flatness of Essex County allows for unobstructed views, making it a perfect place to take a leisurely drive down county roads you may have never traveled to enjoy the scenery. As you drive past farmers' fields, you can enjoy the scattered stands of trees in the distance, their leaves changing color with the passing season. The mix of 85 different native species of trees and tall shrubs found in the region change color at different times, depending on the species. The sugar and red maples, ash and hickory trees with various reds, yellows, greens, and brown-purple colors contribute to the beauty from September through October. The trees in Essex County are a beautiful sight to behold during the season. Fall is well upon us, and the different species of trees in the area change color in their own time, creating a stunning display of nature's wonder. Unfortunately, the leaves fall too soon, so whether you take a leisurely drive or a hike through the forest, the trees in Essex County are a must-see during the fall season. But you better go soon. I hope you enjoyed this colorful 4 minutes. Please like and subscribe. It really helps and I really appreciate it. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.